Ignorantia, legis neminem excusat. Ignorance of law excuses no one. From the ancient times, we fast forward to the modern times. The Philippine Civil Code provides in Article 3 as follows: ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith.
Hello mga ka-Mugshots and welcome again to another episode of Magtanong for Mugshots with Atty. Maggie. So, nung Monday po, nagkaroon ng hearing ang ABS-CBN sa House of Representatives regarding the franchise renewal of ABS-CBN or the issuance of a new franchise for ABS-CBN. At marami pong nakapanood noon at dumagsa po ang mga nagtanong sa atin ng mga ka-Mugshots kasi marami pong mga na-raise na legal issues, legal terms, and legal maxims na niraise doon sa hearing na yon at gusto pong maintindihan ng ating mga ka-Mugshots kung ano nga ba ang ibig sabihin ng mga ito. So in this episode of Magtanong for Mugshots with Atty. Maggie, I will discuss to you two legal terms and legal maxims na ginamit po sa hearing noong Monday sa House of Representatives. So number one is the legal maxim of ignorantia, legis, neminem, excusat. At ang pangalawa po ay ang legal principle of sub judice rule. Those legal maxims and legal principle were being raised by Solicitor General Calida during that hearing on Monday sa House of Representatives regarding the franchise renewal or issuance of new franchise sa ABS-CBN. And sa Wednesday po, magkakaroon ulit ng another hearing. So, maganda po na maintindihan natin ang mga legal terms and legal maxims na to para sa Wednesday hearing pag gamitin nila ulit ito ay mas maiintindihan na natin kung paano nila in-apply ito sa hearing. So let us now discuss yung first legal maxim. Ito ay ang ignorantia, legis, neminem, excusat. So literally, ang ibig sabihin po nitong legal Latin maxim na to is ignorance of the law excuses no one. So dito po sa Philippine jurisdiction, nakapaloob po itong legal Latin maxim na to sa Article 3 of our Civil Code, which states that ignorance of the law excuses no one from compliance therewith. So, ibig sabihin po, in our Philippine jurisdiction, hindi po pwedeng maging depensa ng isang law violator na sabihin niya na hindi ako dapat maging liable sa batas na yan because hindi ko naman alam na nag-i-exist o may nag-i-exist na batas punishing such conduct. So, ito po kasi is it is consistent also with public policy kasi kung gagawin nga naman na depensa na ignorance of the law is a defense, ibig sabihin nun, wala nang magiging liable sa batas kasi gagawin na lang ng lahat na depensa na hindi nila alam na may nag-e-exist na batas. But of course, there's also an exception to this rule. So, ang presumption po that every person is presumed to know the law is dun lang po sa existence ng batas. Pero in a difficult interpretation and application of the law, hindi naman po presumed, hindi po mag-a-apply ang legal maxim na to na ignorantia, legis, neminem, excusat. So magpunta na po tayo doon sa second legal principle or rule na diniscuss sa House of Representatives noong hearing involving the renewal or the issuance of a new franchise ng ABS-CBN. So ito po yung tinatawag na sub judice rule. And this rule was being raised by Solicitor General Calida doon po nung speech po siya before the House of Representatives. So basically, sinabi niya po that he cannot make any comments on matters that is related to the case already filed against ABS-CBN dahil nga po may mga kaso na siya na na-file against ABS-CBN like the case that he filed before the Supreme Court, yung pong co-warranto case. So ano ba tong sub judice rule? So sub judice rule po literally In Latin, it means under a judge. So even Philippine jurisdiction, ipinagbabawal po ang pagkokomento o pagbibigay ng mga disclosures or utterances involving matters that is under litigation or under a determination of a court or a judge, because these utterances, these comments, these disclosures might impede or obstruct the administration of justice. So, kapag nag-violate ka ng sub judice rule, ay maaari kang maging liable for indirect contempt under Section 3D Rule 71 of the Rules of Court. At ito pong indirect contempt is a criminal contempt. So, ibig sabihin, meron itong kaukulang parusa ng pagkakulong. Kaya nga po, sinasabi ng Supreme Court sa isang desisyon na ginawa niya na kinakailangan na para ma-prove mo na nag-violate ang isang tao ng sub judice rule, ay maipakita muna that there is a clear and present danger that such utterance or disclosure or comment will harm the administration of justice. It has clear and present danger that it will harm the administration of justice. So, ito po yung sinabi ito po yung principle ng sub judice rule. Kaya nga po sinabi ng mga members ng House of Representatives, specifically po ang chairman ng komite na nag-handle ng issuance ng franchise ng ABS-CBN, na pwede naman silang magtanong pa rin ng mga matters basta in aid of legislation, and they will make it sure na hindi sila magtatanong ng mga matters that would violate sub judice rule, at ibig sabihin nun, mga matters na would inevitably will make any comment to the pending cases in court. So, if you like this episode of Mugshots with Attorney Maggie, please don't forget to subscribe by clicking the subscribe button here and also clicking the bell button so that you will always be updated or informed of all our uploads. So, have a good day and see you again in my next vlog. Bye!
Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mugshots with Attorney Maggie.